let us dive into Agile's second core value. And this one's a game changer. Value number 2. Working software over comprehensive documentation. Agile's second core value zooms in on the significance of tangible software solutions. But here's the magic. Although the Agile Manifesto is crafted by IT professionals, its influence goes way beyond the tech world. Industries like banking, healthcare, media, transportation, and education have all experienced the remarkable benefits of Agile in their operations. So, what's the big deal here? It is all about emphasizing effective solutions. And by effective, we mean solutions that truly address a customer's problems. It is about providing them with something they can use right when they need it. Now, let us dive a bit into our human nature. Our instinct is to avoid risk. It is like a reflex that comes from our primal lizard brain. When we face new and significant challenges like a project, our main goal is to minimize risks. We'd rather not be surprised by anything. So, what do? We tend to overanalyze and meticulously document every possible scenario. That often involves countless meetings. You might recognize this approach as the conventional waterfall project management. But here's the reality check. When you're stepping into the unknown, you can't possibly anticipate every single scenario. It is just not feasible. The only way to figure out if your actions are right is by putting them into practice. And the best way to gauge if you are on the right track is to see if you are genuinely helping the customer. As a wise person once said, fact is, when starting something new, you simply cannot think of every possible scenario. The only way you will learn if what you're doing is the right thing is by doing it. Creating new solutions, whether they're products or services, inevitably involves making a lot of assumptions. The companies that are leading the pack in today's competitive landscape are the ones with effective strategies to confirm the accuracy of these assumptions. They acknowledge that they do not have all the answers. Instead, they create practical strategies and techniques that empower them to take proactive steps. They get it. The solutions do not reside in documents they're found in the lessons learned from their customers. The fundamental question remains, is this genuinely contributing to problem solving? So, there you have it. Agile's second value is all about putting theory into practice, about focusing on creating solutions that genuinely work. It is a shift from exhaustive documentation to hands-on real-world impact. And it is a game changer for any industry. Ready to explore more? Value number 3 is just around the corner.